Hello guys and welcome to Belovely's channel. Today we will be cooking some spaghetti with like a stew type of sauce, stew tomato sauce. So for spaghetti you begin with the noodles and add some water until it's boiling.
And there's like the pepper and the onions.
Yeah, we chopped up some red peppers, some onions, and a little bit of hot dog.
Yeah. And there's like the tomatoes.
And we did dice up the tomatoes pretty fine because we're not gonna put those in the food processor.
So now, and we also have like a mixed vegetables.
Yeah, we're
right
gonna
here.
put some of those in.
So now we're about to blend the pepper, and from there I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it.
So here we are with the pure vegetable oil. It is Carolini, I think that's how you say it. I think it's maybe Italian, I'm not sure.
So,
But we are gonna put some oil in the pan because we're about to cook our spaghetti sauce. So a good layer.
so you don't want it plenty. You just want to like.
Yeah, you don't want too much. You don't want it to be barely covered in the
So we already did blend the pepper and stuff like that.
Yeah, we did blend it up in the mix master.
So we're gonna make like the oil. We're gonna let it get hot a little bit, and then before we put this in it, and we have the mixed vegetables. So the spaghetti is already ready right now.
Yeah, spaghetti is made.
So and also so we're gonna be putting this in. We're already opening it, so it's like
This one is Supreme tomato sauce. So
yeah, so it's like a fish in it.
yeah.
And also we have like some chicken, some
Then
white chicken.
Yes.
So that's what we're gonna use today. You don't force to use egg if you don't have it.
Yeah.
You can make it with any kinds of stuff.
Chicken, turkey,
And also too,
beef.
we are making like an Irish potato salad.
Yeah, we're making Irish potato salad with eggs and potatoes, and then we're gonna add some mayonnaise, all that good stuff.
All that good stuff, and we'll have some hot dogs in it,
Yep.
like the African way.
Yeah. There's some spices
so let's
up in there.
go.
So right here we have some processed
There's the pepper.
onions, red pepper, and yeah.
We're gonna put it in the oil because it's already hot right now. It's gonna be.
Yeah, look at the oil, way too hot. It's really a whole risk getting this stuff in there. As you can see, it's really popping out of the pan. Wow. Yeah. But yeah, don't put your oil too hot because you don't want to burn yourself.
There's like some black pepper.
Black pepper.
It's some of like the seasoning we use, and we're gonna put it in the food. So, like this.
Gotta make sure it's open.
So I put it actually so fun right now. I'm gonna go like this.
Oh, there we go. Came out now.
Yeah, and then some onion powder. I was gonna use some garlic. You can use garlic powder too.
Yeah. Stone mill. Got all the spices. Then we are gonna put in some chicken bouillon, chicken flavor, Knorrs.
It's like we call it like a Vita. It's really good. It gives the food really good taste. For like this amount,
A spoonful or so.
you take a little bit again. Depending
Vita.
on like how much the sauce is because you don't want to put a lot of that on it. So you stir it to mix it together. Now you see we have like the tomato,
Diced up tomatoes.
and you want to put it in it.
And we did chop up one tomato, but you could add more if you want your sauce to be a little more tomato based.
And we're just making a little bit, like pretty much like a small soya. Have some
Vegetable mix.
make vegetables so we're going to add it together.
We did get it from the freezer
So
section.
you see it right here.
Typical. Got some green beans, some carrots, and some corn.
So mostly it's good to use mixed vegetables. They really look good.
Yum.
Yes. You can see how so we're gonna like this. And I have some cube. I need to put it in. We put it like chicken. Sometimes you put 3. Also, you put 2. It depends on the stew. So I have big soup. I already put 2 in first. So I'm just gonna put like this 2, and then see if it tastes good. Then if it don't taste good, I'll add another one there. So, and when you put it in it, it absorbs, so it's like milk. Yeah. And then when you put it in, you want to stir it. Sometimes it might not like melt right away, but you just want to stir it.
Yeah, it's seasoning, so you want to get it everywhere.
And yeah, and pretty much cover it. So it can be absorbed really good. There we go. There we go.
Cool.
So we put some corned beef in it. You can get this brand anywhere. We already did put it in it already, so you didn't see it, but it looked like this.
Yeah, it's pinkish, and you just dump it in the pan and mix it around.
To make it thicker. And also, so we'll put some chicken in it.
Some white chicken.
So that's how it is. You want to stir it.
And it's gonna be really rich.
Put a little bit like the onion
vegetables.
powder in it, because you don't want the sin for this to be smell that kind of way. So you want it to be good. So you put a little bit. And then you can add some black pepper if you want to. It just depends on if you want to or not. A little bit, but mostly I put a lot. And then you stir it. Yeah. So as you can see right now, like we have like an Irish potato.
Yeah, we got some potatoes and eggs boiling.
Yeah. So after that, we're gonna do alright. So this spaghetti sauce, we're gonna put it in the spaghetti.
Hunt's Premium Pasta Sauce, and it's a meat flavored sauce.
Yeah. So some people do put a lot. Well, we are not actually gonna put a lot.
Yeah, because we're not making like full like bread pasta spaghetti sauce.
Yeah.
And we already have a little sauce mixture. We're just adding some for flavor.
Yeah. So it's like this. Pour a little bit. And I think that will be fine. Yeah. That's fine.
So we've got this big old mound of spaghetti. It's our pasta for today.
And we emptied some of the soup because we wanted to do it in a way in which it can
Yeah, but the spaghetti was originally in a pot, but we wanted to cook this sauce in it, so. And now we are combining the sauce mixture and the spaghetti
together. So pretty much it's kind of sticky.
Yeah.
We put in there. We're gonna do it so way in which you have to mix it together. I'm sorry, like the pot is now.
Yeah, the pot's kind of small, but if you can see the sauce is underneath, and we're just gonna end up mixing it together.
If we don't mix it, we're gonna show you guys how it looks like.
Yep.
So we already did mix it together with the sauce.
Yeah, we mix all the sauce and the vegetables, everything.
So we're gonna put a more vegetable because I kept some on the side, so
Yeah.
I can go ahead and mix it really well.
Extra sauce. Want to get it in all layers of the pasta, so I was really smart to put some on the side. This pasta lasts you for days.
Yeah. And also, so from there, we're gonna put it in the oven so it can bake a little bit. Alright,
Basically.
So there's like the finishing of the food.
Yeah, so finishing result, got a spaghetti. We did put it in the oven. You know how many degrees it was?
I put it like 500.
Yeah, 500 degrees. Baked it. Really
So-
good. Got the gravy on top.
And some gravy on it and stuff. It's really good. Right now, we'll see you again. Bye.
We're satisfied
Thank
with
you.
the results. Thank you.